Hi you guys, it's Lexi. So before we get into our video today, I wanted to let you guys know what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. I wanted to let you know that I have not been avoiding you guys or abandoning you, but I've really been making face masks. My mom and I teamed up together with her scraps in her sewing room and her 2 sewing machines, and we've been going at it, just banging out these orders. All together, we've almost done 300 face masks together. So I really hope you guys can find some of my videos beneficial and help kill some of this time. Be great and stay strong and stay safe. Our first step will be to take off any hinges, any screws, chains, all that fun stuff. Remove it. Take it off. We don't want to wash that. No, we want it to stay nice, pristine, and in its great shape. So we don't want to rust it or anything. Take all metal pieces and anything extra off, then scrub it down, clean it out, get her nice and clean, scrub off any gunk that might be on there from years and years of use. So once you let it air dry, bring it downstairs. What I did was, because we had such extensive gunk and everything on it, there was like some black marks, some gross marks. So I took our sander, sanded it down real nice, got it to a good level, and pulled out the gray spray paint. Once I took out the gray spray paint, I did a nice layer on top of the areas of where I wanted to do it. I also taped down. Take note to tape down if you want to do a 2-tone like I did. My 2-tone was just totally like a last minute decision. I really didn't know what I wanted to do. I just wanted to do something to occupy my time. So I did just the outlining of the trash cans, that nice gray, and then I did that front door blue, and then I did the top blue. And I feel like it turned out really nice with the way our kitchen is. Gave it a nice little pop. Okay. Who knows, their trash can needed a pop? I felt like ours did, and I did it. So once you do that, I let it dry. I did the gray first, I let it dry, then I did the blue, and I let it dry. Then went ahead and did a second layer, let it dry. And that's when I came in, put our hardware on, redid the chain, which is a really crappy chain, and I can't wait to get a new one, but I'm not going to get a new one until I need to go out and do an essential run. So please be sure to be safe and only make essential runs at this time. As you see, I haven't even done my hair yet. So I really hope you guys can find some of my videos beneficial and help kill some of this time. Be great and stay strong and stay safe. Bye.